Hey guys, what's going on? Jake from Meat Sauce here, and today I'm going to be unboxing something I bought from Harvey Norman. Oh Jesus fucking Acer Predator XB1 gaming monitor. Let's check it out. So basically, the reason I bought this is the fact that I bought a new desktop PC, custom build. You can see from my my PLE custom build review. I'm achieving some pretty sweet frame rates now, and I wanted a monitor that can match it. So basically 60 Hz wasn't cutting it. So this puppy goes to 144 and overclocks to 165. We'll see how well that goes, and it's G-Sync. I got an NVIDIA 1080. Why not splurge a little and get something that's actually going to show all of them juicy fucking frames? Oh lordy lord. The worst thing about an unboxing experience is actually fucking getting it out of the box. Oh, going sideways. Oh god. Styrofoam explosions. Okay, that's right. For you guys that are watching this that aren't Aussie, short shorts are the thing. The middle of fucking June. It's winter time for us and it's fucking hot. Nope. Nope. Don't give a fuck. And a quick guide. I don't think I'm going to really need a quick guide, but who knows? Maybe I'll use this to find out how to overclock it, or a Google search will probably be more sufficient for finding that shit out. So what have we got here? The monitor. Oh, okay. No, it looks like we dropped all that shit. Okay, in the box, power adapter. That's good. We want that. Got a display port cable, which is awesome. Pretty sure off memory, my GTX 1080 has 2 DisplayPort outputs. If not, I'm gonna have to change my ultra wide to HDMI, being only 60 Hz and 1440p. HDMI will be fine for that. Might have to swap that over, we'll see. I prefer DisplayPort. I mean, just more reliable, tougher cable, all the shit you want. And a HDMI cable. I might just leave that packed away for now in case I don't actually need it. Now, the interesting part. So, it is your standard VESA mount. So if you're not a big fan of the clunky, massive stand that it comes with, you're welcome to change it or wall mount this monitor. But I actually like it. I mean, it is big, but its range of movement, oh yeah, is good. So, you know, there's no complaints there whatsoever. Not for me at least. I don't know about you guys. Depends what you're into. I'm gonna go ahead and wing this. I reckon. Oh, then this common sense, Jake. Common sense. Okay. Let's hope that screws in. We know we got it. Yeah. There. There you go. Cool. Now, I guess I should probably consult the user manual because I don't want to fuck this up. Okay. Winging it. I feel like winging it is the best way, as always. I'm a big fan of these Acer Predator screens from what I've seen before. I think they look pretty neat. Yeah, it looks like. I'm just going to slide that in there. Oh, it's backwards. That would fucking explain a lot. I think that's it. Give the old fucking lift. And she's on. I'll give that an easy rating of fucking, that's a solid 10 I reckon, setting it up. No screws required, well, except for the one that's in the bottom, but you know, that's just a fucking thumb screw. That's pretty fucking alright by my standards, I reckon. So, this is just purely, guys, an unboxing video. So, I will be putting in a more in-depth review video up, so please keep tuned in for that one. I don't want to do anything that's too early off the bat, so I'm just gonna get this puppy plugged in, show you some quick setup, how everything went, and yeah, I'll get back to you on the actual my final thoughts on the product. Who's trying to message me? Probably my brother. People always asking for tech advice, you know? It's like, you want tech advice? You pay me first. Turns out I totally unraveled the HDMI, not the DisplayPort. That's I think I would have noticed that, but apparently not. That's all good. Tech expert over here. One might even say tech expert, as the hippie kids say these days.
A few moments later.
I had to do the old fucking yeah nah switcheroo just now. Had to remove my entire desktop tower because the included display cable wasn't long enough. But that's okay, it actually worked out for the better anyway. It's a bit neater. Computer's not as much on display, but what are you gonna do? You know, the price you pay. Now, it's actually been plugged in. It's been plugged in. It's turned itself on. Let's see what she looks like. All this shit. What is that? Take all this stuff off. Energy star ratings, and it's got an energy star rating of 2.5. 2.5 of fuck all, who cares? Like you buy your monitor for power savings unless you're a hippie maybe. Alright, G-Sync capable, yes. Crank this puppy up to 144. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's all plugged in and we are about to apply 144Hz refresh rate. Let's see how it looks. You're not going to be able to tell from the screen cap that I'm doing, but from my extreme fucking reaction, you might be able to tell. And my god, is that smooth. Yeah, it's pretty smooth guys, pretty smooth. Okay. Yeah, looking forward to trying this out, some games. Yeah, this was just the unboxing guys. I'm going to actually put a proper review up, like I said, after a couple of days. See what you guys think, let you guys know what I think. And yeah, let's just see how this guy performs. I've read on a few places the color accuracy is pretty dodge. I'm going to go ahead and tinker with all that. I mean, I do video editing and stuff. I'm going to utilize this secondary display for video editing while I'm at it. So yeah, I'm going to do some tinkering, see how close I can get this to the RGB Adobe spectrum. It won't be 100%, nowhere near it, but you know, the closer I can get it, the better. Yeah, so once I tinker out with all that shit, I'll play some games, and I'll let you know if I get better, or if I notice anything different. Let's see where we go from there. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It means everything to me. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later, you fucking legends.